To complement Hot Rod's full line of heavy-duty OEM replacement and stroker crankshafts are Hot Rod's water pump rebuild kits. These kits include everything you need to restore a blown water pump, seal, or worn-out shaft bearing. A properly working water pump sends coolant from the radiator through the coolant system into the engine and returns it back to the radiator. The heat collected by the coolant is then transported to the air at the radiator where the heat is released. When the seals in your water pump wear out from use, the coolant can leak out, or worse, leak into the engine oil. When this happens, it'll likely cause engine overheating and possibly cause severe and costly engine damage. A new Hot Rod's water pump repair kit can ensure this doesn't happen to you or fix the problem if it's already happened. Included in the water pump rebuild kits are the water pump cover gaskets or O-rings, precision micro bearings, and high pressure/temperature mechanical and rubber seals. Customers have come to recognize that there is no substitute for the quality of Hot Rod's products, and these water pump rebuild kits won't let you down. A necessity for your engine to run cool is a steady flow of coolant supplied from the radiator throughout the engine, with the water's pumps, bearings, seals, and mechanical seals being a main ingredient in maintaining proper coolant flow and separation of the coolant and engine oil. Before water-cooled engines were introduced, engines were cooled by air, with many experts and engineers believing the introduction of the water-cooled engine was as important as oil when it came to engine protection. This still holds true today. With all that said, the components inside the water pump do have a lifespan. Don't let a faulty water pump seal or bearing cause potentially thousands of dollars worth of damage to your engine. Some common indications that you may need to replace your water pump seals include leaking coolant, coolant in the engine oil, or oil in the coolant, and overheating. If these symptoms are happening to you, simply pick up a Hot Rod's water pump rebuild kit today and save yourself the money and the hassle. Once you install your new Hot Rod's water pump rebuild kit, your engine will take you anywhere you want to go and keep a steady temperature while doing so. Get yours today. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at hotrodsproducts.com and fill out that Contact Us form. For quality you can depend on, it's gotta be Hot Rods.